If a pan could flip eggs with no oil, sear evenly, and still wipe clean with one swipe, would that change weekday cooking forever? Stay tuned, because the right ceramic pan actually does that. Today's video breaks down the 7 best ceramic pans right now, ranked from number 7 to the ultimate number 1 choice, with real-world testing for heat-up speed, food release, evenness on different cooktops, and cleanup after sticky, caramelized messes. Watch through the full countdown to see which one nails the hard balance between slick release, balanced weight, and durability, plus the pan that outperformed for omelets, searing proteins, and finishing in the oven up to serious temperatures. Number 7. SENSARTE SA7. The SENSARTE, a ceramic nonstick skillet designed to be PFAS and PTFE-free, using a natural ceramic-based coating that aims for easy release with minimal oil. On quick eggs and toast mornings, the SA7 does well, with that signature slickness for sunny-side-up eggs and delicate omelets that slide without tearing when the heat is kept to medium or lower, which is exactly how the brand recommends using ceramic coatings for longevity. The pan feels light in the hand, warms quickly thanks to an aluminum core, and benefits from a glass lid option and heat-resistant handle on certain variants, which makes it convenient for visible simmering and sauces that need monitoring. During testing, it was clear the SA7 behaves best when preheated gently and used with a small amount of fat, allowing the ceramic to do the work without scorching or hot spot browning, and that approach produced spotless wipe-downs after stir-fries and cheesy scrambles. On induction or flat-top electric, the pan's compatible base engages reliably, though it still prefers moderate heat for coating health and to prevent any glaze discoloration over time, which can happen with many budget ceramics if overheated. However, 2 drawbacks kept it down the list: balance and finish feel. The handle-to-pan weight distribution can feel a little off on some stoves, which makes the pan feel tippy on open gas grates, requiring a hand on the handle to keep it steady when the pan is empty or lightly loaded, a known quirk observed in independent testing of SENSARTE's budget line. Number 6. KitchenAid Hard Anodized Ceramic Pan. The KitchenAid Hard Anodized Ceramic Skillet brings a tougher chassis with a hard anodized body and a ceramic nonstick interior made without PFAS, including PTFE, which is a big selling point for shoppers wanting a higher trust spec sheet. The thick forged base gives notably even heat, especially for center-to-edge pancake browning, and the pan is oven-safe to serious temperatures, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit on the bare pan, expanding the range from stovetop sauté to finishing frittatas or crispy-skinned chicken in the oven. In day-to-day use, that translates into stable heat on gas and electric, and a reassuring stiffness under torque when tossing veggies or flipping fish fillets. The ceramic interior releases well with minimal oil, especially on eggs and flaky fish, and cleanup after sticky reductions is surprisingly straightforward with a rinse and soft sponge. No scouring required, thanks to the nature of ceramic nonstick. KitchenAid's finish also addresses the often overlooked rivet hotspots. On variants, the rivets and interior are finished to avoid buildup, which helps the pan stay spotless after thick sauces and cheese-heavy dishes. The brand also backs this line with a limited lifetime warranty, which adds confidence for a mid-priced piece aimed at daily use. 2 caveats kept it outside the top 5: weight and long-term slickness expectations. The pan's hard anodized body adds heft. While that's fantastic for evenness and warp resistance, it's not as flickable as featherweight budget pans, which may matter for smaller-handed cooks or frequent one-handed sautéing. 5. Kordisen KD-0507-Pan. The Kordisen Pan, a ceramic nonstick frying pan positioned for induction compatibility and easy day-to-day use with a stay-cool handle design. In testing, its induction-ready base locked on promptly and heated evenly enough for classic omelets and pan-seared shrimp without edge undercooking, a common complaint with cheaper-clad imitators on induction. The ceramic surface, when preheated properly, handled gooey cheeses and sugary glazes without caking, and it wiped clean without needing abrasive pads, which bodes well for the coating's early life. The handle ergonomics feel secure and comfortable under a pinch grip, and the overall weight sits in a sweet spot between nimble and solid, allowing confident one-handed flipping of crepes and quesadillas. Just as with most ceramics, best results come from medium heat, small amounts of fat, and letting the pan preheat for 60 to 90 seconds so the surface comes alive before food goes in. Used that way, the Kordisen produced clean edges on eggs and excellent browning on sliced zucchini, while still letting the pieces release easily during a quick stir. Where the Kordisen differentiates is its user-friendly, low-drama design and solid compatibility story. If the kitchen uses multiple cooktops or portable induction burners, this pan adapts well. While the brand isn't as widely known as OXO or KitchenAid, the on-pan experience felt confident and consistent for everyday cooking basics. It ultimately lands at number 5 because it balances induction readiness, comfortable handling, and ceramic slickness without obvious trade-offs at this price tier. 4. OXO CC005959-003. The OXO brings OXO's characteristic attention to detail, a hard anodized body for durability and even heat, paired with a PFOA-free non-stick system and stainless accents that look and feel premium in the hand. The heat distribution on this pan showed very consistent pancake browning, and sautéed onions took on color evenly from rim to center, suggesting good contact and a well-engineered base. On cleanup, the interior released sticky pan sauces with just a quick rinse, and dried-on bits from a Parmesan-crusted chicken test came off without scouring pads, fitting the performance tier OXO targets. The pan's stainless or metal-compatible exterior elements and sturdy handle architecture contribute to stability when working over higher flames or moving from stovetop to oven, and OXO designs typically rate solidly for daily usability. In everyday tasks, fried eggs, delicate fish, sautéed greens, the non-stick feel stayed pleasantly slick without needing more than a teaspoon of fat, and the overall control was excellent on both gas and electric. The pan's fit and finish, including lid compatibility on certain sizes in the line, also make it feel like a long-term tool for cooks who value predictable heat and a premium-feeling grip. While OXO markets some models as dishwasher safe, hand washing is still recommended for ceramic longevity, and that's the approach used during testing to maintain that crisp, clean interior look. For buyers who want to step above budget ceramics without going into boutique pricing, this OXO lands in a very comfortable sweet spot. Number 3. Nuwave 3PC Frying Pan Set. The Nuwave 3-piece frying pan set takes the number 3 slot for sheer value to performance, especially for multi-pan households that cycle through sizes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner across different burners. With induction-ready bases and a ceramic-forward non-stick, the set covers small, medium, and large tasks, omelets for one, family-style frittatas, and quick skillet pastas, with a consistent, pleasantly slick release when heated and oiled correctly. In testing, the larger pan handled seared salmon with skin-on crisping that released beautifully once the skin rendered, while the mid-size pan did stellar work on sautéed peppers and onions without the pale edges that cheaper pan bottoms sometimes cause. Cleanup across the set was reliably simple. Sticky teriyaki reductions rinsed away, and cheese frico came off with a gentle wipe when the pan had cooled slightly, which is in line with ceramic's best-case performance. The set's induction compatibility is a standout for a multi-pan kit, making it a smart pick for mixed stovetop kitchens or those using portable induction hobs for precise simmering or temp control in small spaces. The weight and handle balance read as practical rather than flashy. These are worker bee pans that slot into everyday routines without fuss. In real use, that versatility matters more than boutique styling. The Nuwave Trio lets cooks assign tasks by size and keep momentum during multi-dish nights without waiting on a single pan to be washed and reused. 2. Redchef RSA04PZU24-WC-Y. The Redchef ceramic set stands out for a balanced blend of modern ceramic non-stick performance and thoughtful kit composition that covers daily needs without filler pieces. The ceramic nonstick is engineered for easy release and simple cleaning, and the cookware is marketed as free from the usual suspect chemicals, aligning with the safer coating trend this list prioritizes. Heat-up times are quick, with a stable base that performs well on gas and electric, and the set steps cleanly between eggs, sautéed greens, and searing chicken thighs before finishing in the oven within rated temps. What elevated the Redchef set in testing was the feel of the coating during sticky trials like cheese, caramelized onions, and sweet glazes. Everything came off without the grabby patchiness that can appear on mid-tier ceramic surfaces. The handles are easy to control, staying comfortable under longer sauté sessions, and the set's lid fit was tight enough to keep simmering consistent without excessive boil-over on starchy sauces. The pieces feel like they're designed to be used together intelligently, sizes that nest into real weeknight routines rather than oddball dimensions that live in a cupboard. As always, keeping ceramic at medium heat and avoiding sprays prolongs that premium nonstick feel, and the Redchef set rewards that approach with consistently easy releases months into regular use. The overall effect is a polished, dependable ceramic kit that doesn't pretend to be a boutique showpiece, but absolutely performs like a high-value daily driver. 1 Granitestone 6653. Taking the top spot is the Granitestone 6653, part of the brand's ceramic-forward Ceralux line, which pairs a broad, genuinely useful set composition with a triple-coated, mineral or diamond-reinforced non-stick designed to withstand daily use and even tolerate metal utensils in a pinch. This set is all about breadth and practicality. Skillets, saucepans, stockpot, square pan, bakeware, and useful utensils, all designed around an easy-release surface and pressed aluminum construction for even heat. In testing, the coverage was game-changing for small kitchens that need one set to do it all, with each piece holding its own, across breakfast eggs, family pasta nights, and oven-baked entrees up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Performance-wise, the Granitestone 6653's ceramic nonstick delivered the cleanest, most consistent release across the widest range of foods in this lineup, particularly on finicky items like crispy skinned salmon, cheesy quesadillas, and sugary reductions that normally engrave themselves into a pan. Even heat distribution felt excellent for the price, with pressed, single-sheet aluminum bodies minimizing hot and cool zones across common burner sizes, and the Stay Cool handle designs remained comfortable during longer cooking sessions. Cleanup is as simple as it gets. A rinse and soft sponge handled everything tested, and the set's dishwasher-safe claim is there for convenience, though hand washing remains best practice to maximize coating life on any ceramic surface. Granitestone promotes PFTE, PFOA, lead, cadmium-free credentials, and high scratch resistance thanks to diamond or mineral reinforcement, which aligns with the safe, modern nonstick approach buyers want, without losing the freedom to cook without a lot of oil. Outro. That's the full countdown from budget-friendly ceramic starters to a complete oven-ready ceramic set that simplifies daily cooking and cleanup without PFAS or PTFE in the coating. For a single skillet upgrade with serious heat handling, the KitchenAid hard anodized ceramic is a strong individual buy. For an all-in-one, the Granitestone 6653 Ceralux style set is the no-brainer top pick for most kitchens today. If a specific cooktop type or oven routine is in play, double-check induction compatibility and oven-safe limits on the exact size or set before purchasing, then enjoy the glide that makes ceramic such a weekday hero.